Hi guys, I'm David, and in this Ikaria Lean Belly Juice review, I'll tell you everything you need to know about this supplement before you actually buy the product. I also have two really important alerts to tell you, so pay close attention to what I have to say in case you do decide to buy Ikaria. The first thing you need to know about Ikaria Lean Belly Juice supplement is that you need to be very careful with the website you're going to buy it from, because this supplement is only sold on their official website. And to help you, I've left a link to the official website below in the description of this video. I'm telling you this alert because there are many websites selling fake products, and besides the risk of losing money, this is also a serious danger to your health. We have to understand that the process of losing weight is a major challenge for most people and is actually a complicated journey because of the fact that people try to insert new methods in their everyday routines that could potentially damage their health. One of the ways that can help in the process of renewing health and losing weight without damaging your health are natural dietary supplements, because these reduce risks to your health and are able to accelerate the process of weight loss. And that is why the intention of this video is to ensure you have a comprehensive introduction to the leading, legitimate, and 100% all-natural weight loss supplement called Ikaria Lean Belly Juice. How does Ikaria Lean Belly Juice work? Well, researchers found that various fruits and plant extracts were able to help lose weight by eliminating toxic lipid molecules and reducing the high levels of uric acid in the human body. Thus, they combined these exotic fat-burning ingredients into a single formula and called it Ikaria Lean Belly Juice. According to the manufacturer, Ikaria Lean Belly Juice will help dissolve the stubborn fat accumulation in these thick fat cells without any negative side effects. And as a result, you will begin to lose weight and burn fat in an accelerated manner. And the response from users of the supplement back up these claims. They have reported significant weight loss and reduction of swelling and inflammation. In addition, they have also shown an increase in energy levels and improved sleep quality and overall health. In conclusion, this formula has been proven to really work. Each scoop of Ikaria Lean Belly Juice contains ingredients such as milk thistle, which has excellent fat melting properties, taraxacum, which supports healthy cholesterol and blood pressure and eliminates fat, fucoxanthin, which promotes weight loss, bioperine, which has the benefits of blocking the formation of fat cells. These are just a few of the amazing 100% all-natural ingredients that will help improve your overall health. The Ikaria supplement is safe, and the ingredients that are used are of the highest possible standard and have been tested by third-party laboratories for the highest purity and potency. It is made in the USA in an FDA-registered facility that follows strict GMP standards. And I'm sure that if you try Ikaria, you will see excellent results in losing weight and seeing an improvement in the quality of your health. Do know that each organism reacts differently, but I am assuring you, so that you do not have any doubts about your weight loss process, that this product really does work, so don't be discouraged. And for best results, it's ideal for you to use Ikaria for at least 3 months, so it makes sense to get started with a 3 to 6 month package. And don't worry, because Ikaria Lean Belly Juice offers a full 180-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied with your results for any reason, the company will refund all your money back without any questions or hassles. I hope to have helped you with this video, and if you like this Ikaria Lean Belly Juice review, leave a like or leave a comment just below this video. Until next time, bye!